Hi, I'm Lou, and this Sillcock is completely broken and leaky and also too low to the ground, so we're going to replace it with this one. This thing is turned completely off, and as you can see, it's pouring out water, and also my wife is out there using the hose. Another name for these is the freezeless wall faucet, and we're going to put ours in up here where it's more convenient. We'll use a hammer drill to go through the brick wall. Once we got through the brick wall, we hit a wooden band board, which I'll go through with a normal drill, and I had to extend it all the way out here. This is a 1/4 inch socket and a 3/4 inch drill bit because we're only going to run PEX through it. Down in the basement, there's the hole, and we're going to go over this tubing and through here. Here at the end, we have a 1/2 inch PEX connector, and here's PEX tubing. Put a clamp on the end like this, slip that on here, and then use a clamp squeezing tool. Feed the tubing into the house. There it is through the band board, through this next joist, along under this, all the way over to my water source, which is here. So I'll cut the pipe off right about there. I turned off my water main, and I'll cut it here to tap in. Next we'll install a 3/4, 3/4, 1/2 T. Before I do the final connection, I decided I want to add a shutoff right in here next to these. I got a drop air shutoff valve so I could screw it to the ceiling. I cut my PEX so I could install it here and here, and then finally onto my T. I tried to turn off the old faucet and broke it off. We were going to take this old pipe out anyway, so we might as well get to it now. And out comes our old pipe. Now we'll unscrew this piece and replace it with a 3/4 plug wrapped in Teflon tape. Water main is back on, no leaks there or at our plug, and then we'll turn on the water to the outside. Now we'll mount it to the wall with these blue Tapcons. That's solid, so I should probably pull this out and fill the hole with mortar, but it's a lot easier just to cut it off. Water on. Water off. No leaks. Thanks for watching.